Jason, do you like a cookie? You know what we're making today? Can you tell? Well, it doesn't look appetizing from like the looks of the mise en place. We are going to make something that is a tradition. It's one of Jason's favorites, and I aim to please in my life, okay? So we're gonna make Christmas crack sandwiches. And you know why? Because this is what you make for your family the night before Christmas when you're wrapping presents and you're getting it all ready and you're playing Santa and you're drinking water. That's right, Santa, water. Okay, it's gonna be one of the easiest things, but again, according to Jason, I've never made these, but according to Jason, these are phenomenal. They're gonna change your life. I put the Bobby Boyd spin on it. He's a little nervous about it. It's okay, we're all nervous on our first time, you know what I mean? We're all nervous. Here comes, he's becoming my sous chef, my guest co-star.
Ciao. Anyway, so.
Kind of in the middle of production here. That door, it's like, it's not Halloween anymore. Why is it squeaking like that? All right, to go with the theme of Christmas crack sandwiches, I know that these are crack because when I make meatball sliders, like we make them on the King's Hawaiian rolls, we do this, and the truth is, I never really liked them, ever. Much like Lady Gaga and Ariana Grande, I had to jump on board.
Rain, rain, on me, rain on me.
These knives were a wedding gift from one of my best friends, Matt. And we've taken them to every one of our houses since we got married.
Too low.
What? Too low?
Too low.
See?
See?
No, part of making these crack worthy is you have to marinate them overnight. And as much as Jason loves me and would love to maybe snuggle, big spoon, little spoon, I made one last night. So this is just to show you the process. So you're gonna do a half a cup of horseradish. Meow. Now that you've covered that, now you can probably find a version of this recipe everywhere, right? Your tickety tick tock tock, your MySpace, your LinkedIn account, your Facebook. I do it a little differently, right? Because I want to add more meat, more cheese. I want to add some dill pickles, some aged sharp white cheddar. The fun, easy part, but boring for you to watch. Double meat, which basically means 24 slices of your ham. So I didn't go to the deli counter and have freshly sliced ham. I literally bought this on sale. This jug of ham was $2.99. Okay? Harriet! All right, so now you're done with your ham. You skip this step if you want to make them the traditional BB way, basic beep way.
Who you calling?
A bitch.
If you want to make them the Bobby Boyd way, the other BB way, this is where you add your shredded, aged white cheddar, just because it gives you that extra kick, like you know when it's aged and it's sharp. It's like a little kick. Melt your butter. It's 2 sticks of butter melted, okay? That's how I measured it. Oh, you know what I need? Pepper. Okay, yes. Bam. Oh, we can't forget to get a little guest appearance from Jax, my other dog that I share with Olympia's grandson, because he's here for a couple weeks. Now the other next step that Jason's nervous about. I'm so sorry, Jason.
You do not like pickles?
Oh, no.
I could be cheating, but it's also because it's a little reminiscent of like a Cubano sandwich.
Oh, which you also make really well.
I do. Thank you.
There's a link right there.
See the link? Boom. Jason, are you excited about the ebook that's coming out soon?
Around.
Ebook with some recipes, 10 recipes, I believe, right?
That's right.
From yours truly. So as everybody knows, I made one last night, and you bake it for the 25 minutes at 350 degrees covered, and then you uncover it for 5 to 10. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do right now. Oh. It smells so good. So I'm gonna do, instead of the 5 to 10, I'm gonna do 7. Now I'm adding Swiss cheese. Do your little diagonals. So you cover it once and then you do it. So now it's in every nook and cranny, right? It's in every crevice. My butter is melted. I already did my black pepper, little garlic powder to taste. So that's gonna sit there. And you're gonna take your little amazing top and flip. All right, butter is melted, so we're gonna set this aside. Bring our little bowl here. So 2 sticks of melted butter. I did unsalted because if you did salted, you already have salt in the cheese, which is a ton. So 2 sticks of unsalted butter. This is about a tablespoon and a half of chopped white onion. This is a tablespoon of spicy brown mustard, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and this is a teaspoon and a half of sauce. Now you whisk it together. Make sure the butter melts the brown sugar, the onions get in there, and you just want it. You want all of it. Your little pan back. This is the easy part. So easy. Just pour it on top. I know, mind-blowing. Well, I want to take my Joy or my Grinch. I'm gonna take my Grinch. Let me just make sure it gets in there. All on the sides. And then this is when you would cover it and you would marinate it overnight. Just let it sit there covered overnight in your refrigerator. If you decide to make this last minute or day of, just make it in the morning and throw it in there. So then you just put this in your trusty dusty refrigerator. Okay, homie. Oh, that didn't fit. Story of my life.
That's what she said.
Ah, there's Siri. Oh, there we go. Oh, oh yeah, look at that. The smell of warm, spicy brown mustard. That's the crack. Some people do poppy seeds, some people do parsley. I like a little dash of color. A poppy seed will get stuck in my teeth. No thanks. Do a little Salt Bae situation. Is that a ghost that just came in? The ghost of Christmas past? Oh, I like that breeze. We'll leave it open. Look how nice that looks. Bam! Don't come for me unless I sent for you. Just saying. All right, I'm kind of excited. We'll do 2, and we'll do 1 here. Okay. Oh wow, holy crap. I hate horseradish, but it tastes really good. Damn it, I wasn't supposed to like it. I gave up carbs this week, but not today. See that little lovely pickle there? I can't explain it to you, but I can tell you. The horseradish comes through, and I do think adding the cheese that I added makes a difference. All right, I'm getting it now. Sweet, the onion gives you like that nice spice. It's good. This is a slam dunk. So now I can make it for my BFF Jason. Damn! Okay, so the mac and cheese, I still stand by that. It's the best thing you should ever make of my recipes if you're like, let's see what this fool is doing. This is second, and the reason why is it's cheap, it's easy, you can't mess it up unless you overbake it. Like, what did I tell y'all? Whether she messed up in the kitchen or she had a slam dunk in the kitchen, it was damn. Oh, damn, this is good. This recipe deserved this. Put your foot in it. I've broken my diet, 5 days without carbs, and now because Jason said I should try this.
You're welcome.
I'm sorry to all of you for the moans, but it's really good. As promised to myself, my special guest to close out the video. This is Mr. Jax. Say hi, everybody. Say hi. Aww. He's my little Maltipoo that I rescued 5 years ago from my mom. He's blind, and he's the best puppy ever, and I love him so much. So Jax, look what Daddy made.
But I cannot see, I'm legally blind.
If you enjoyed yourself during this video, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell, right, for notifications. We're gonna go eat these and watch, what would you wanna watch? Okay, we're gonna go watch A Christmas Story. Bye-bye, everybody. Until next time. Love you mucho.